to the channel. Today we're diving into the all-new 2025 BMW 7 Series, a luxury sedan that combines cutting-edge technology, refined performance, and opulent design. Let's break it down, starting with the interior. As you step inside, you're immediately greeted by a world of luxury and high-end craftsmanship. The cabin features a combination of premium materials including leather upholstery, soft-touch surfaces, and customizable ambient lighting. The 2025 model offers more rear seat space than ever before, making it an ideal choice for those who prioritize comfort. Rear passengers will appreciate the reclining seats, which come with optional massaging functions, while the center console provides access to climate control and entertainment features via the 12.3-inch touchscreen display. Up front, the driver's seat is nothing short of a command center. The large curved display stretches across the dashboard, integrating the digital instrument cluster and the infotainment system into a sleek, cohesive unit. BMW's iDrive 8.5 system powers the interface, offering smooth functionality, voice control, and an improved heads-up display. The 7 Series also includes a high-quality Bowers Wilkins sound system, which is a dream for audio. The attention to detail inside the car truly elevates the driving experience, ensuring that every trip feels special. Moving on to the exterior, the 2025 BMW 7 Series has a bold and modern look. BMW has given the 7 Series a more aggressive stance, with a larger kidney grille up front, paired with sleek adaptive LED headlights that follow the car's movements for enhanced visibility. The clean lines along the sides of the vehicle create a sophisticated silhouette, while the available 20-inch alloy wheels add an extra touch of elegance. At the rear, the car features slim LED taillights that stretch across the back, giving it a futuristic appearance. The use of chrome accents and the elongated hood all contribute to its unmistakable presence on the road. Overall, it's a car designed to make a statement. Now, let's talk about performance. The 2025 BMW 7 Series offers multiple engine options, starting with a turbocharged inline-6 engine that delivers around 375 horsepower, ensuring plenty of power for everyday drive. If you're looking for something with more punch, there's also a twin-turbo V8 that produces over 530 horsepower, offering thrilling acceleration and a 0-60 mph time in under 4 seconds. The handling is impressive for a luxury sedan of this size, with adaptive air suspension that smooths out rough roads while maintaining a sporty feel around corners. For those interested in electrification, BMW has introduced a plug-in hybrid variant with an electric-only range of up to 40 miles, making it a great choice for those who want both efficiency and performance. The hybrid version still delivers strong acceleration thanks to its combination of electric motors and gasoline power. BMW's xDrive all-wheel drive system comes standard, providing exceptional grip and confidence whether you're on highways or winding roads. Finally, let's discuss pricing. The base model of the 2025 BMW 7 Series starts at around $96,000, while higher trims with the V8 engine can easily exceed $130,000. The plug-in hybrid variant falls somewhere in between, depending on the options you choose. So with most luxury cars, the final price depends on the customization and features you opt for, with a range of packages available, including the Executive and M Sport packages, which offer everything from enhanced performance to upgraded interior materials. So whether you're after the latest tech, a luxurious interior, or a powerful engine, the 2025 BMW 7 Series has it all. It's a car that redefines luxury for the modern era, blending comfort, technology, and performance into one sleek package. Let us know what you think of the 7 Series in the comments, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more in-depth car reviews. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.